Hello budget people, and welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. It's about 6 a.m. and I'm just making up some orders before I go to work, and I thought it would be a good time to quickly come on and say a massive thank you to each and every one of you who have watched my Vlogmas videos. I know it's different to my usual content and you are still supporting it, guys, so thank you. Unfortunately, I'm unable to upload a vlog every day, but by coupling them with my budget videos, I'm committed to uploading a video daily throughout the month of December. So without further ado, let's get into the vlog. It's now about 8:30 in the evening and I'm just going through my emails from my Etsy store. I do get quite a lot of emails throughout the day, but obviously I can't answer them until I finish work. So I had to quickly jump on and get to work straight away. The wallets that are part of the giveaway. I did a quick Instagram live to tell them all about the giveaway as well, and to come over to the channel to have a look at the videos. It is still a YouTube exclusive giveaway, but there are some YouTube subscribers of mine that do follow me on Instagram, so I thought I'd let them know. But you can have another sneak peek, guys. So I'm just going to show you what the wallets look like. Let's get this right. So here is the pink one. So we've got Forever Young at the top, and then we've got this lovely pink wallet. And even if, let me show you with my cash envelopes. Where are they? Let me get one that would fit in. So this is one of my old cash envelopes. Even if I just used my cash envelopes, it would still fit inside. So I'll just do a little test run for you. So if I put the cash envelope in here, they work as well. Like that. So you don't need to necessarily purchase dividers, although I think the dividers do look very nice, even if I do say so myself. But yeah, I will be selling the wallets from my store as well. So this will be my first manufactured product in the store, but then yeah, they're meant to be going with the dividers. So this is the pink one, and then we have this grey one, and I'm really loving this grey one. I feel like I want to swap my green one for the grey one, but we're going to hold fire for now. So this is the grey one, and then this is the black one. So if you just want something simple, there's black, and then here is the blue one. So this is the blue one. I don't know if it picks up on camera very well, but that is the blue colour. So these are the 4 prizes. I'm going to wrap them up in a second. But these are the 4 prizes. These are the 4 colours. In the store we'll have all 5 colours. So you'll have an option to buy the green, the blue, the black, the grey and the pink. So these are the selection that will be coming out. But yeah, this one is mine. If you haven't seen that video, this is my green wallet, and I've customized my dividers to go with the December kit. So these are my cash dividers. So here I am making up my order list. I need to know what products I need to make, how many, what style and what colour. I just use a regular pad that is from the pound store and tick off each order as I go through printing them. Last Tuesday was the last time I actually bought any food for the home. The cupboards were bare and we needed to do a food shop, but I've had some problems with my leg. I was hopping around at IKEA over the weekend, and I spoke to the doctor yesterday and they said that I have sciatica or a sciatic problem. So I've been prescribed a muscle relaxant, and it really makes me drowsy. So I think that's why I was a bit all over the place when I first got in, but I feel a little bit better now. My leg seems to have warmed up a bit, so I'm going to get cracking on. So I'll quickly just show you what she makes for us when we're short of time and haven't really got much in the house. Okay, so what are we eating tonight, madam? I think we're having some potato wedges. How did you make these?
I cut them myself.
So homemade potato wedges, and we've got some vegan burgers that we're having with them. Nice. Thanks, sweetie. Okay, let's see what little one's doing. Oh, there she is. Say hi. Oh, she just wants to see her room. Let's see if we can see the boy. Do you want to say hi to the YouTube? Say hi. He doesn't want to talk, guys. Okay, so we've checked on the little civilians. I'm gonna hobble back downstairs and get started with these orders. Whenever I'm at my desk, you'll be sure to find me watching something on my iPad, either YouTube or Netflix. My guilty pleasure is watching historical crime shows, guys. I know I'm weird, but I just can't get enough. Never would I have thought that 6 months ago I'd be making orders well into the evening, and although it is tiring sometimes, I really do have to take a second to really sit back and be grateful. I remember when I was struggling to get one order a month, and now we're getting daily orders, guys. It's truly, truly a blessing, and thank you for everyone who's ordered from my channel. speak to you in the next one. Have a good day.